Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can log in to your Bank of Cyprus account online. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, you'll have to open a web browser on your PC. Now on the top search bar, type www.bankofcyprus.com. After you press the enter key, you'll be led to the official website of Bank of Cyprus. Now on the home page, you'll be able to see the Login One Bank button. Click on it and you'll be led to a new login page. Here all you'll have to do is enter your Bank of Cyprus account username, and just below that you'll have to enter your passcode. If in case you've forgotten either of your user ID or your passcode, you can click on the Forgot User ID or Passcode link and follow through the process. But if not, after entering both your credentials, all you'll have to do is click on the Login button. So it is that easy to log into the Bank of Cyprus account online. And if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.